Good morning, and it is a beautiful morning. Who would have thought that we'd have all this beautiful weather so early in the season? I wanted to talk today about an offer that Stork Physio is going to be providing from the 1st of March to the 29th. Significant dates. What we're going to do is to roll back our fees to those that we were charging in 1999. That's 20 years worth. And the reason for doing this is because it's our job to treat pain. We treat pain in all sorts of different patients caused by all sorts of different problems. But what of course has been very noticeable over the last 2 years is the pain caused by Brexit. Doesn't matter whether you're a Remainer or a Leaver, Brexit negotiations have dragged on for 2 years and caused all sorts of problems. So we thought, what can we do about this? So we sat and we thought about it. We thought, okay, if we roll back the fees to the 1999 time, which, if those of you who remember the wonderful millennium bug, the thought that the world might come to an end because of the turnover from 1999 to the year 2000, the big millennium dome, all the rest of the stuff that was going on at the time, we thought, okay, this is a little bit similar. So that's what we're going to do. We thought we would reduce the fees, not the service, just the fees, for a month, in the hope that that will also help ease just some of the pain that we're all suffering at this ludicrous time, where we're all hoping that it's going to settle down, whatever the answer, whatever's done, that somebody will take their finger out and sort out the problem. Which of course is what we do, except we do it for people with the back pain, the knee pain, the every other pain, all sorts of problems that need dealing with. So make an accurate diagnosis, decide on the right treatment, carry out the treatment, and get people better. And that's what we want to do. So hopefully, on this bright, sunny spring morning for the moment, we are going to be offering a little bit of easement for the pain of Brexit.